Here it is, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? That is so beautiful. So it's up now, and this is just that autumn blossoming. And you can see down in here, you can see the mums coming up. And I said it would be like about an orange, and there's some yellow ones coming up too. And of course, you know the ivory, famous ivory. And here is the firm. Looks like the tip of it is going to sleep right now. So, all right. And the penna, they went back to sleep. And it looks like another gladius that's trying to come up, but maybe next summer he'll bloom pretty good because the weather, I don't know. And there go that color I told you about in the back there, that burgundy color of the mums is coming up. There he goes. Let me see if I can get a clean shot of him. There he goes, see? So he comes up around this time fall. Yeah, so there you have it. And there's the other mums. It looks like it's going to be like orange and a little bit of yellow in there. And then don't forget the gladius that I showed you last week. He's going to sleep. Okay, so I'm going to move back a little bit so y'all can see a little bit of them. And there you have it. That's the front of it. Trying to get it well. Can y'all see it? Good. Okay. All right, so we're going to go over here around the garden because the garden is like really beautiful. And these are the pinna. Excuse me, cherry blossom, y'all. They're blooming, still blooming, and still coming up, as y'all can see. They are still doing just fine. Yeah, take a picture of it. Okay. And you know, when you take this picture, you can take it to um, either CVS and get a picture of it. And print out an 8 by 10 and put it in a frame. Okay, if y'all want me to do that, I'll do that for y'all too. Right now, I just wanted to show you. And here's the white mums. They're coming up really beautiful, the mums. Yeah, they're still blooming. hmm Still blooming, y'all. Okay, so that's the mums. Take a picture if you want. Then I'm going to show you these. And I want y'all all to guess what these are. I'm not even going to tell you. If you want a picture of it, get an 8 by 10, take it to CVS or someplace where they can do enlargement and put it in an 8 by 10 or 8, what is it, 8 by 10, 8 by 11 picture frame. And like I said, these grow as tall as I am. Look, I'll show you how tall they are right now. Yeah, they're coming in other colors. Okay, can you get it? Let me see if I can get it for y'all. Okay. Okay, you got your picture. Do an 8 by 10 or 8 by 11, whatever it is. Let me go back for y'all and show you how big they are in that garden. Yeah, let me get it down here for you. Yeah, and this is the pot that I told you about a week ago, and it's still blooming. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? You want a picture of that? Take a picture. Want the pot too, or you just want the flower? You just want the flower? Okay, so take a picture of that. And like I said again, go and get an 8 by 10 CVS, one of those stores that can develop it into an 8 by 10 or 8 by 11, whatever. And so this is the pot that I will probably transfer for next year, okay? Not right now, but I'll do it next year. Let them continue to bloom. Yeah, that's a little rose bush down in here. He'll come up next year too. This one here. Yeah, that'll come up next year. Okay? So, and here is these beautiful flowers. Yeah, come orange. Let me get it up for you a little bit. Got it? Okay, I'm gonna move back. A little bit over. Okay, a little bit over. About right in here. Good. Take the picture. Okay. And I think Nene's gonna come out and take some pictures and show y'all how beautiful these have bloomed. And this is really it right here, what y'all see. It's so tall. I don't even, oh, wait a minute. Let me turn the camera. I'm sorry, y'all. Turn the camera a little bit and then I can get it. Okay. Can y'all see it? Everybody see? All right. And then we're going to go around. This is a pinna. They went back to sleep, of course. Yeah, they're back to sleep now. Mm-hmm. Been asleep now for about a couple of months. They could just come out early spring, and they bloom these beautiful, beautiful flowers. They're so big and puffy. They look like I usually call them cotton balls. Okay, and then he's sleeping, going back to sleep too. And these little berry bush. Yeah, yeah. I know you know the name of it. Okay, so anybody that know about gardening, and look, it gives you such a therapeutic very therapeutic um, stuff for your mind. It's a therapy. These flowers, when you come home and you had a very one of those days that you just need something to soothe your mind, this would be one of it. And here's the ivory. Okay, yeah, that's the ivory. And you go down in here and you can see the mums that's coming up. Hmm. All right, so let me go around and don't forget him. Look how beautiful she is. Isn't that beautiful? A beautiful picture to put on your wall in your bedroom. Let me move back so y'all can take a picture of it. Okay. And this is the red one. Forget about the red one, but he's going back to sleep, as you can see. And you can see the ivory still running up there. I got to get a bigger one for them for next year. Um, and this one is being filmed today. And I believe today's date is the 9th, September the 9th. Yeah, but you believe it's September the 9th. And as I showed y'all before, if you look down in here, you got the mums that are coming up. Yeah, I got to go over, see if I can get y'all over there to see them. Right, those are mums. It looks orange, and some of them look like they're going to be yellow. As you can see, that yellow one coming up there. Different colors right there. This is this beautiful burgundy mum. Yeah, yeah, they'll be coming up soon. Yeah, just take a picture of that, and it looks so beautiful in your bedroom or on your in your living room walls. Yeah, yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to give y'all one more picture. Yeah, is it beautiful? Yeah. Yeah, those are the white mums. You're right. And that's the cherry blossom bush. So they're coming up really beautiful. Okay, so there you have it, y'all. So I guess if you want to see the mums, I'll come back out a little later end of this month and show you the mums when they completely bloom. And I hope y'all got these ones. These are They grow so tall. Yeah, they're very tall. They come in beautiful colors. And I think Nene is going to come over and take a picture of the beautiful flower pot. Yeah, those are glories, I think. And yeah, glories. Yeah. And these are these. Yeah, springing up really beautiful. Yeah. Okay. So, and like I said, you can go to, I'm going to back up now, y'all. See if I can get this whole filming of the garden. And this is how beautiful it is when I come home and I can look at this garden. Yeah, they grow really tall. You see how tall they grow? Yeah, that looks about 5 feet there, going up in the air. And you can see the beautiful color of them. Uh-huh. So, yeah, it's very therapeutic. Y'all, excuse the way I'm pronouncing my words. Very therapeutic. Okay, so you got it. Take these pictures and hang it on your wall. So there you have it. This is the autumn bloom. Yep, that's him. And as y'all can see, it's quite beautiful. Yep. Let me go over here. See if I can go over here for y'all. And these are the beautiful, beautiful marigolds. It's springing up really nicely. See if I can get a picture for y'all. Okay, everybody try to get this picture in here. Mhm. And Nene, let's see if we can get Nene to come and get a picture. Nene, you want a picture? I think she's going to come in and do a picture. But anyway, so that's the show. And I hope y'all enjoy this show. Nene, how do I switch it to do a picture? I don't know. But everybody loves it. It's so beautiful. These marigolds. And when I come up the steps, I see them right away. And then you see the, oh, so I'm sorry. Okay, now we have it on. So I wanted to show y'all this gardening again. Um, okay, so I wanted to show y'all this. This is so pretty. I'm just going to turn the camera around because right now it's not working on my favor. And this is the famous, famous, famous. Y'all know what it is. That's right, peacock for the summer. He'll be going back in at the end of the September. I put all these stuff up. Everything goes up. Yep, yep. Okay, so I'll be signing out now. And I hope y'all enjoy this video. Enjoy this video. Um, I keep putting my hands in the camera, y'all. But anyway, this is it. And signing out from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. Don't worry about it. So I hope y'all enjoy this video from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. Um, we'll be back with some more videos. Um, please subscribe. It's free to subscribe so y'all can get the notification when Sweet Sugar Plum Home D4 comes on. And this way you won't be so lost when I'm talking about continuation of certain things, the gardening especially the garden. A lot of people know about my gardening, so you won't get lost with you won't be behind. But you can go through my whole channel and look for things, okay? When I talk about these things. But this one was just done last week, and as you can see, that lady is just came up within 1 week from last week. Believe it or not. Okay, so we're gonna be signing out. Sweet Sugar Plum Home, decor idea.
Mmm, sweet sugar plum pie. What a comfort